Well, hello, and here is another video from Mr. Carter, and today's video is about how to do some programming in Python, in particular an Mi6 Python code, which is a mix of random number generating code. It's got whiles and ifs, it's got lots of variables in it, and let's have a look what this program actually does when it is run. So let's run it. Okay, and it asks you a question. Welcome to Mi6 computer system. Enter the code to access spy records, and it's a random number. So you're trying to guess what the number is. Now, I guess if you're working at Mi6, you might already have that number. So if I type in 9, oops, access denied, security called, enter a number. Oh goodness me, 8. Oh, I've been granted access granted to Mi6 spy records. Hello, James Bond says, recognised me. Security not coming now. Would you like to contact M regarding your next mission? Type yes or no. So there's a bit of a while or if thing going on here. So if I type in yes, your next mission is to leave now and catch a flight to Moscow. Walther PPK issued James. Good luck. Okay. Well, what if we got answered no? What would happen? Again, this is in the code. So if we go run module. Okay, run it, get the number, I don't know what the number is. Oh, there we go. Would you like to contact M? Going next mission, press no. Miss Moneypenny will be along soon with a cup of tea. Do you require a firearm or a poison pen? So let's type in pen. This bit's just a little extra bit that I added on. You will have to use just your charm. Oh, very cheeky. Okay, so the program, if we look at it here, okay, what we've got are various parts of it. The first thing is this, okay, and this was actually done in previous lessons. So we've got something called import random comp guesses equals random int 1 comma 10. And what this is doing is bringing in the random number library from Python. Okay, and it will just allow the computer to understand that when you put in random, it's a random number generator. Okay, so that's what that bit of code is doing. This bit here, this is setting up the variable. We've said comp guesses, that's computer guesses basically. Okay, equals random dot rand int brackets 1 comma 10. The 1 to 10 is the range of numbers, and the int is basically it's expecting a number, an integer. So random integers can be created between 1 and 10. So that's set up beforehand. Okay. The next bit is, well, the first part of the program is you get the question, print Mi6 computer, enter a code. Okay. Now the number that you input is being given the variable as well. So user guesses is the input. Okay, so the user guesses is the person typing. The actual random number is the comp guesses, the computer guesses. Okay, so that sets up the first line of the program. It says, you know, enter a number between 1 and 10. It's got a variable there. Okay, to take the actual input. The next bit is we've got lots of ifs and whiles, and that's just a basically like a crossroads. It's either one way or the other. Okay, in this particular program. So while the user guesses, okay, is this part means not. So user guesses is not equal to the computer guesses. So let's pretend that the computer is randomly generated number 9. If I type in 8, it will run this bit of code here. Okay, so it's saying if my guess is not the same as computer guess, show this on the screen. Access denied, computer called. Okay. So the next part is the if. So if the user guesses, now, 2 equals together is true, basically, or the same or exact. So the use guess is the same as the computer guesses. So if the computer guessed 9, I guessed 9, print access granted to Mi6 spy records, hello James Bond, security not coming. Then it says, would you like to contact M regarding your next mission? Type yes or no. Okay. Then we need to set up the variable yes. So if you type in yes, we've given that variable reference, which is 1. No is 2. Okay. And we're expecting an input there. So the answer is the input. Okay. If I put 3, it wouldn't work. But if I put in I put another number and it wouldn't work. Okay, so if the answer is equal to 1, okay, which is yes, okay, print your next mission is to leave now and catch a flight to Moscow. If we put in no, or in this case 2, so matching this variable here, print these lines in the program. Okay, it's also asking me another. I put in an extra bit of code here. Print, do you require a firearm? Type gun or pen. Gun equals 1, pen equals 2. Expecting the answer. If the answer is gun, Walther PPK issued, and if it's 2, a little bit of a joke there. Okay, so the code is split into the random here generator. Okay, asking the first question, working out here what is going to happen if you get the, so this bit here highlighted is the part where it deals with the guessing of the number. This part here is the second question, and then what happens based on the second question, which is, would you like to contact M? Okay, and the third part is just an extra little bit of code that I've added, and again, you know that you can copy code. So if this code works here, you can copy that down. Obviously you've got to change the variables and parameters and so on. You could put another line, another question there if you wanted to. So when it's run, what does it look like? Okay, put in your guess. Whoops, 7. Whoops, wrong answer. Ooh, what is it? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. Yes, I would. Next mission is okay. So it's just a little bit of simple code using random numbers, ifs, whiles, and lots of prints and variables. Okay, hope that helps with your Python worksheet.